Hi everyone, let's talk about safety in Singapore. In the past, the focus has always been occupational safety. However, times have changed and safety now involves 4 elements.
First, occupational safety. This is where we conduct risk assessments to determine and implement risk control measures. Many of us are aware of it as it has been around for the past 10 years. Second, promoting healthy lifestyles. The average Singaporean lifespan has increased from 78 in year 2000 to 86 in year 2018 and has been rated third in the world. What does this mean? People are retiring later and the average workforce age is increasing. To ensure good quality of life, keeping healthy is important. The government has kept up by implementing the Total Workplace Safety and Health Program to take care of our aging workforce.
In other parts of the world, such programs are known as Integrated Workplace Safety and Health.
Third, antiterrorism. In 2017, there was a surge in terrorist attacks worldwide. To educate Singaporeans on the significance of these events, the SG Secure program was introduced. As a small country, we need to be proactive and take measures to prevent it from happening. When it does happen, we are ready.
Fourth, safe management measures. Safe management measures were introduced during the pandemic to prevent the spread of disease in the workplace. Measures were put in place for companies to follow so that all employees can work safely. For example, employees are advised to work from home if possible. Other examples are social distancing and wearing of face masks. To implement SMM in Singapore, you can check out this link for more information.
So, what can we learn from our safety program? First, the world is evolving and our safety programs must adapt to the changes accordingly. Programs that do not adapt to change will eventually cease to exist. It is the same in the business world. We need to keep updating ourselves to ensure our systems stay relevant. Secondly, a lot of people feel that our safety program is still inadequate. However, we need to remind ourselves that 35 years ago, construction workers were wearing slippers and working without safety helmets. Whereas now, workers are equipped with proper PPE. Safety programs have been implemented gradually by the government. As the change is not drastic, companies can adapt to it easily. We must also remember that resources are needed for each safety program. A good example is that Kings has been producing affordable safety shoes, making the implementation of wearing safety shoes possible. Therefore, to implement safety effectively, sufficient resources and gradual adoption will reduce inertia in the safety program's implementation.
I hope by understanding the safety program, we can adapt to the rapid changes in our world and improve our company's productivity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.